Welcome to the best pick. The best door latch is probably one of the most crucial components of your Samsung DW80F600UTS-AA dishwasher, ensuring a proper seal for effective cleaning. A faulty latch can lead to leaks, inefficient washing, and potential damage to your appliance. In this video, we'll dive into the specifics of this replacement part, helping you understand its importance and how it can restore your dishwasher's performance. Number 5. Samsung Microwave Door Latch Key DE64-00760A. Is your microwave door not closing or opening properly? This key is designed to fix that. It's a reliable replacement for your Samsung microwave. Made from sturdy, food-grade material, this door latch key is built to last. It ensures long-term performance, so you can rely on it for years to come. This key fits a wide range of Samsung microwave models, including Mi 17R7021ES and Mi 18H704SFS. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your appliance. This door key is made from high-temperature food-grade materials. It ensures smooth and easy door opening, keeping your microwave door securely closed every time. This key fixes issues like doors that won't stay closed or failed startups. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to restore your microwave's functionality. It is easy to install without special tools. This key replaces part numbers like DE64-00760A and DE64-01308A. If your microwave door isn't working, this is the part you need. The key measures 7.8 inches in length and 2 inches in height. Remember to disconnect the power before installing it. Check if the door latch key is damaged before replacing it. What we like. This microwave door latch key is a reliable replacement, ensuring your microwave door stays securely closed. If you have a Samsung microwave model Mi 17R7021ES, or are experiencing issues with your door not closing properly, this is the perfect solution. It's made from high-temperature food-grade materials, so you can rest assured that it's safe and durable. What people say. Just like OEM, perfect fit and easy to install. Works like the OEM. Worked perfectly for our over-range microwave. Number 4. Samsung Dishwasher Door Latch Replacement. Is your Samsung dishwasher door not closing properly? This replacement latch is designed specifically for your model. It ensures a secure seal and proper operation. This DD81-02132A latch is an upgraded version, featuring a thicker steel spring. This improves the door's hold and enhances safety by ensuring the door is tightly shut. This latch fits a wide range of Samsung dishwasher models. It is compatible with models like DW80K5050US, DW80R5060UG, and many more. Check the model list to confirm it fits your dishwasher. This replacement part replaces several numbers, including DD81-02132A and DD81-01629A. It's a direct replacement for your broken or faulty latch. It's a reliable solution. Installing this latch is straightforward. It's located inside the door near the latch mechanism. Remember to unplug your dishwasher before starting the installation. Made from sturdy ABS material, this latch is built to last. It is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. It ensures long-lasting performance. What we like. This dishwasher door latch offers enhanced performance with its upgraded design and improved spring. If you're looking for a secure and reliable door closure for your Samsung dishwasher, this is the one. It's easy to install, and its high-tech construction ensures long-lasting durability, making it a great choice for those seeking a hassle-free replacement. What people say. Replacement was easy: cut power, unscrew all Torx screw, unplug original part and plug new part in. Our issue was dishwasher not shutting well, and opening during operation. The new part worked perfectly and the dishwasher is usable again. Slight cosmetic differences, but it fit perfectly and works perfectly. Watch the YouTube videos on how to install it. Get the right Torx bit for your dishwasher. Took about 15 minutes to install, very easy. Easy to recommend. This part works perfectly as a replacement for the part in the photo. It's an easy install. Just unscrew one side of the panel and the top panel screws and you can access this part. No need to unscrew all of them. Compared to the original part, it does need to be maneuvered a little more to fit in correctly, but it's not really a challenge at all. Number 3. Samsung Dishwasher Door Latch DD81-02132A. If your dishwasher door isn't closing properly, it could be the door latch. This replacement part is designed to solve that problem, and many others. It's a simple fix that can save you time and money. This is the DD81-02132A door latch, an upgraded replacement for your Samsung dishwasher. We've reinforced the spring to prevent breakage. It's built to last and designed for optimal performance. This latch fixes issues like broken plastic locks, doors that won't close, and leaks. It's made from durable, environmentally friendly materials. This ensures it's safe, hygienic, and built to last. This door latch is compatible with a wide range of Samsung dishwasher models. It replaces multiple part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. Check the list to see if it fits your model. Installing this latch is simple and takes just minutes. Remember to unplug your dishwasher before you start. This part meets or exceeds original manufacturer specifications. This replacement part is made from high-quality materials and thoroughly tested. If you're not completely satisfied, you can request a replacement. We stand behind our product. What we like. This dishwasher door latch is made of strong and durable materials, exceeding OEM specifications. If you like a long-lasting and reliable solution for your dishwasher door issues, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for exact compatibility and easy installation, saving you time and money. What people say. Works perfectly. Exact part 4 Samsung dishwasher. Quick and easy replacement, more than half the cost of the OEM. Number 2. Samsung Dishwasher Door Latch DD81-02132A. This is an upgraded version of the original, with improved spring fixation and enhanced safety features. It ensures the dishwasher starts correctly by detecting if the door is properly closed. This door latch fits various Samsung dishwasher models, including DW80K5050UB-AA00 and DW80F600UTS-AA. It's a perfect replacement for the DD81-01629A and other related models. Made from high-quality materials, this latch is pollution-free, safe, and hygienic. It exceeds OEM specifications, providing you with long-lasting reliability for your dishwasher. Replacing the old part is simple and solves common issues like a broken latch or a door that won't close. Remember to disconnect the power and wear gloves before installing it. If you have any questions or concerns about this product, please contact us. We are here to provide support and ensure you have a positive experience with the door latch. What we like. This dishwasher door latch is an upgraded component with improved spring fixation and enhanced safety protection. If you are looking for a reliable and safe replacement for your Samsung dishwasher, this is the one. It's made of premium materials and offers easy installation, ensuring your dishwasher functions perfectly. What people say. Super easy to install even though I'm not what you would call a handyman. Took me about 10 minutes to install and half of that was watching a video on how to do it. Exactly what I needed. Received the latch quickly and was able to replace our old one in under 15 minutes by myself. Just watched a quick YouTube video to see if I could do it myself and it was a cinch. Works great. Easy to install and fixed my problem. Now I don't have to worry about cycling with the door open. Number 1. Enterpark DC34-00024B Washer Door Lock Replacement. This is a replacement part for your Samsung washer. It fixes problems with the door lock. You can save time and money with this effective and quality part. This is an authorized factory replacement part for DC34-00024B. It's designed to be a direct replacement, ensuring proper function. Before replacing, remember safety first. Make sure your hands are dry, stay away from water, and turn off the power. Take a clear picture of the part you are replacing. DC34-00024B is a compatible replacement for DC34-00024D. Keep this in mind when ordering to ensure it fits your needs. This replacement part offers a cost-effective solution. It allows you to repair your washer instead of replacing it entirely, saving you both time and money. What we like. This is an authorized factory replacement part, designed to fix door lock malfunctions. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to get your washer back up and running, consider this. It's a reliable choice that saves you both time and money. What people say. Arrived just in time. Easy to install. Working very good. Easy install, fit right, and my washer is working again. After gasket removal, several screws and 3 plugs, the old part was out. The reverse had us back in business. It was a quick 15-minute replacement. That beats a new washer any day of the week. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.